man. Can't deal with this. Right, there's a door. So can you open the door? No, what do you mean? It's the same asking over and over again.
These are what the people are asking. It's not me personally.
Welcome to episode 24 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. As you guys saw, Raja Banks walks off a podcast because he was asked why does he fake his trades on his own broker. You heard that right. He actually has his own broker that he promotes to you guys, and he trades on it when he's trading, quote unquote. Now, who is Raja Banks? Well, Raja Banks is almost the ultimate influencer, and I'm going to explain why. He has 3 products and they cycle through each other because after the first one, you need the second one. And if you don't have access to the second one, he'll give you access to the third one. Now, what's the first product? His first product is a course. It's called Market Fluidity. He charges anywhere between $50 and $600. Now, after you do that, he has something called the Dominion Markets where you can go and trade. That's his broker. That's where he fakes all his trades. So after you take his course and you're looking for a place to trade, he has something else to offer you. Now, if you don't have enough money to deposit into your broker, well, he has a funded account that you guys can go on and get access to funding, which is Dominion Funding. All 3 of those are owned by him. So you have a course, you have a broker that he owns and he makes money when you deposit because he puts it on B-Book. So when you lose $5,000 in your account, he collects that $5,000. If you don't have money to deposit into the broker, well, then you could do Dominion Funding where you could get access to money and then trade on it. After you lose it, you have to continue to buy accounts and accounts and accounts over and over. He's been caught multiple times faking trades, and actually the funniest tracking system on Twitter, someone tracked his last 1 year of live streams and nothing was profitable. His reasoning to that is he takes a lot of trades off of the live stream. So he live streams, takes bad trades. I don't even know if they're on purpose. You take them with him and then you lose and he makes money from the brokers that he owns.
So guys, I'm going home now with FBK's new car. We just bought a new car. It was cheap, man, 1 million. We bought this wild track. Show them this wild track right here. We bought it. You see this one? You see it? Bring the camera to me. We bought this wild track 1 million using KGP markets. Sign up on the KGP markets is the AI of brokers. 5-minute withdrawals are in tape. So this guy is going home right now. And I know you think I'm lying, ne? Okay, sharp, stop the video. They think I'm lying.